For our practicum, we have worked in a virtual summer internship at Bath Spa University to restructure two courses in an online learning environment for blended instruction. The first course, Research Methods, is a graduate degree course comprised of a wide range of learners. Approximately half of the learners are international students and non-native English speakers. Most of the students also have little experience with online learning. The second course, Professional Studies, is for students who have completed their undergraduate degree and are in their final year of study, a program for teacher training. This group consists of predominantly upper middle class students. In order to best meet the needs of all the learners in both courses, we use the ADDIE model to guide us through the process.
The original banner and menu of both modules did not follow the BAD-SPA guidelines. The final design followed the BAD-SPA guidelines for font and color and half-center banners. The new menu is organized and clear. We use icons to give the sessions and units consistency. The original modules were not designed for blended learning. All the sessions or units were listed, forcing the learner to scroll extensively to view the content. The current design has better organization and structure. The use of the icons, objectives, learning intentions, and introductory videos help the student to have a clear picture of the session or unit. The lectures are organized into parts, chunking the information in order to avoid cognitive overload. Each session and unit has a conclusion, review, and knowledge checks. This ensures knowledge transfer, helping the student not only receive the information but also retain it. The original modules only had basic student resources, ignoring specific issues that the target audiences for each module might have. Taking into consideration the target audience for each module, the current resources has been improved and the discussion board has been created. On the resources page, web tools related to each module and valuable links for online students have been added. In Research Methods, links for resources directed at international learners have been included as well. Additionally, discussion boards provide forums to share questions, comments, and resources, helping the students to interact with one another and with the instructor. The module's design was created following IDEA guidelines to create a cohesive and clear structure after conducting learner and context analysis. The module's resources include not only the required BAD-SPA resources, but also customized resource lists that can help improve the learner's online learning experience.
To guide our design, we use the Community of Inquiry (COI) framework. According to J.B. Arbaugh, COI offers a collaborative, constructivist perspective to understanding the dynamics of an online learning experience. Two main concepts from the COI that guided the design of the modules are to improve the online learning experience and to promote interaction for online learners. The first concept is shown with the resources pages. The resources pages provide links that can help the learners to become familiar with an online learning environment and facilitate the use of applications for a specific area of study. The second concept is implemented through the discussion boards. The discussion boards allow the learner to facilitate learner-to-learner and learner-to-instructor interactions. Both concepts are exhibited with the overall consistent, clear structure of the modules. The module structure will allow the learners to easily locate the content contained within the modules, as well as promote efficient learner-to-content interaction. The multimedia principles used during the video's creation and embedded within the modules were signaling principle, segmenting principle, and personalization principle. The signaling principle is displayed in the modules with the consistent use of icons to cue the learner to the type of content in each session or unit. It is also used extensively in the navigation videos to draw the learner's attention to important areas within the module structure. As we consulted with the clients about the videos that they recorded for each session or unit, we recommended creating small video sections based upon the segmenting principle. It is easier for the learner to retain complex information if it is presented in smaller pieces rather than one long presentation. We suggested to the clients that video segments be recorded in a personal, relaxed tone based on the personalization principle. This helps the learner to connect with the content presented and not associate the material with the delivery method.
Areas of revision that we have completed from our usability tests include unclear directions of how to access specific links, such as session content and library access. We have since revised this to add more explicit instructions. Another area of revision was our users' uncertainty of how to use a discussion board, which prompted us to add this component in our navigation video for future users. From our clients, mentor, and usability testers, we have received very positive feedback. Some things they have noted are the overall clean and organized design, the visually appealing icons, and the very useful navigation videos. As you can see, the two courses were designed with both user and content in mind. We have provided Bath Spa University with a solid structure for both courses in order to move forward implementing lessons in an online environment.